Hey guys, it's Ashley Peterson with Promo Realty, and I'm standing outside of 1703 Lisa Drive. This is a great home, ranch style home, very well taken care of. A very flat driveway coming up to a 2-car garage. And inside, you're going to love the spacious 3 bedrooms on the main level. You have a nice open floor plan with the living room and the kitchen. Out back is a maintenance-free deck that overlooks a very neat backyard. This backyard, it looks like a park, and you're going to love that. Tons of beautiful landscaping. Downstairs, there is a finished living area, and you have a 3rd John Deere garage downstairs, plus a lot more storage. This home, again, is very well maintained, a newer HVAC system, and you just don't want to miss out on this one. So sit back and enjoy the tour.